Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 30 September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, where will India's first Coast Guard Academy be established? Kochi, Mangaluru, Jamnagar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Mangaluru. Recently, in Mangaluru, India's first Coast Guard Academy will be established. Okay, around 158 acre, around 158 acre, it is going to be established. Okay. Our second question was, who addressed 75th United Nations General Assembly meeting from India? Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently addressed the United Nations General Assembly meeting. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of today's session is, when World Heart Day is observed? 28 September, 29 September, 30 September, option D, 18 October. The correct answer here is 29 September. Option B is correct here. On 29 September, World Heart Day is observed. Okay. This day is observed to draw people's attention to heart illness and the range of associated heart with health issue. Okay. And the theme of 2020 is use heart to beat cardiovascular disease. The theme of 2020 is use heart to beat cardiovascular disease. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question, who has won the 2019-20 AIFF Player of the Year award in men's category? Sunil Chetri, Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, Vikas Kumar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. India's men's team goalkeeper Gurpreet Singh Sandhu has won the 2019-20 AIFF Player of the Year in men's category. Okay, Gurpreet Singh is the goalkeeper of the Indian football team. Okay, and AIFF is in news. AIFF abbreviation is All India Football Federation. All India Football Federation. It is established in 23 June 1937. 23 June 1937 it is founded, and the headquarters is situated in Dwarka, Delhi. In New Delhi, headquarters is situated. Okay, and in men's category, Gurpreet Singh Sandhu won this, and in female category, Sanju Yadav. In women's category, Sanju Yadav won the Player of the Year award. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question, who has given the additional charge of NSG DG, Director General of NSG? Okay, who has given the additional charge of NSG DG? SS Deswal, Bipin Rawat, Manoj Mukund Narbane, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is SS Deswal. Option A is correct here. ITBP Director, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Director, ITBP Director General SS Deswal has been given the additional charge of counter-terrorism force for NSG, National Security Guard. Abbreviation of NSG is National Security Guard. Okay, you can see the image of SS Deswal here, General SS Deswal. Okay, he is a 1984 batch IPS officer. 1984 batch IPS officer. Okay, next question, who has been appointed as new chairman of TRAI? RS Sharma, PD Waghela, Vinay Kumar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is PD Waghela. The Appointments Committee of Cabinet ACC, the Appointment Committee of Cabinets ACC has appointed PD Waghela as the chairman of the Telecom Regulatory of India, TRAI, Telecom Regulatory of India. Okay, he will succeed RS Sharma. He will succeed RS Sharma, and recently the new chairman of TRAI. You can see the image of PD Waghela also here, the new chairman of TRAI. Next question, Who is chosen by Reserve Bank of India for awareness campaign? Amir Khan, Sonu Sood, Amitabh Bachchan. Option D, Varun Dhawan. As per you see the Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan here, so the correct answer here is option C, Amitabh Bachchan. Recently, Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan has chosen for the customer awareness campaign. The campaign aims to prevent the gullible account holders from being duped by fraudsters. Okay, duped by fraudsters. Okay, it is a awareness campaign and Amitabh Bachchan is chosen for this awareness campaign. Okay, RBI is a news. Reserve Bank of India, it is established in 1st April 1935. Headquarters is situated in Mumbai. Shaktikant Das is the governor of RBI. Okay, next question. Saida Anwar Taimur passed away. He was the former chief minister of which state? Assam, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh. Option D, Uttarakhand. The correct answer here is option A, Assam. Assam's first and only woman chief minister Saida Anwar Taimur recently passed away. Okay, you can see the image of Saida Anwar Taimur here. Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Recently, the chief minister is Sarbanand Sonowal, and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Question number 7. Usha Mangeshkar honored with Lata Mangeshkar Award by which state government? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha. Option D, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer here is Maharashtra. Option B is correct here. The Maharashtra government has announced the Gan Samragni Lata Mangeshkar Award for the year 2020-21 to the veteran female playback singer Usha Mangeshkar. Usha Mangeshkar. You can see the image of Usha Mangeshkar here. Maharashtra government gave this award. Maharashtra is in news. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor of Maharashtra. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. KVIC has appointed whom as its advisor? Sunil Sethi, Abhishek Banerjee, Rajesh Bhatia. Option D, Amit Shah. The correct answer here is Sunil Sethi. Option A is correct here. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission, KVIC abbreviation is Khadi and Village Industries Commission, has appointed Sunil Sethi as its advisor. You can see the image of Sunil Sethi here. Sunil Sethi is the chairman of Fashion Design Council of India. The chairman of Fashion Design Council of India, name is Sunil Sethi, recently appointed as the advisor of KVIC. Okay. Next question. Mokhtar Owen appointed as new Prime Minister of which country? Qatar, Mali, Oman. Option D, Lebanon. The correct answer here is option B, Mali. Recently, the Mokhtar Owen appointed as the new Prime Minister of the Mali. Okay, you can see the image of Mokhtar Owen here. Previously he served as the Foreign Minister of the Mali and recently appointed as the Prime Minister. Okay, and the capital of the Mali is Bamako. Bamako is the capital, and West African CFA franc is the currency of Mali. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Question number 10. Who has launched the ICMR's vaccine web portal? Dr. Harshvardhan, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. Option A is correct here. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has launched the ICMR's vaccine web portal and National Clinical Registry for COVID-19. Okay, you can see that image of Dr. Harshvardhan launching the ICMR's vaccine web portal here. Okay. This is our question of the day and we have to answer in our comment section and we will discuss the answer in our upcoming session. Okay. Our first question is, who has announced to launch positive pay system? Okay. Our second question is, who has won the F1 Russian Grand Prix 2020? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Okay. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.